Team, I'm really unhappy about how the project are being delivered. There is no proper coordination. We are missing the deadlines. I was hoping to take the company to the next level, but I'm frustrated about the delivery that we are doing. It is really frustrating. Ranaji, what are your thoughts?
Yes, sir. I personally feel that no one's care about working together anymore. I find it difficult to connect with teams these days. Also, I could not able to put much effort because of some personal reason. My grandfather was not taking well, so I was focusing more on him. So I could not compromise on my family time.
What are your thoughts, Amit?
I believe the main problem is no one taking the responsibility on his decision. And secondly, we just need to focus on our values, and really we need to work on our QAQ syllabus, our scheduling process. So that's it.
What is your point of view, Vivek?
I've shared multiple dialogues with you last couple of weeks, but you are not checking that. I have scheduled a meeting with you, but you are not there. And team is not following my data, following the goals. I've shared data with each month that what are the project deliverables, but no one is following that, and it is very difficult. I think that it is not possible to give a project on time.
Suresh, can you stop there? What are your thoughts, Suresh?
So Abhijit, I'm truly speaking, all the things we are doing, whatever we are doing is very boring. So there is a no commitment and no innovation. So it feels like just we are moving on the bullock cart without a wheel. So we need we have to plan some get together, some teamwork outing, and so that the team can gel and so that the team get motivated.
I don't understand. All of you are coming with these excuses. Why didn't anybody bother to come and speak to me before the project delivery? What was stopping you guys? Everybody is putting blame on each other, right? This is not how the company functions. How am I supposed to respond to the management, right? This is not working at all. I am just adding fuel to the fire. I don't understand what I should do. Instead of blaming everybody, I think I should focus on everybody's strength. Let me come with a plan.
So here's the deal. The management has decided to invest in leadership coaching. Now the team has been through training, and we are about to see how they transform.
Yeah, Ranaji.
As
How are you? Yes. Have a seat.
Thanks.
How are you doing, Ranaji?
Fine, sir.
How is your grandfather now?
I appreciate you, sir, for asking about my family. Last week he was not feeling well. He was actually critical.
Okay.
So now he is recovering well. So doctor advised me to take bed rest for 1 month more. So my wife is with him. He is constantly monitoring him. So now I can focus on my work.
How can I be of any help? I can speak to Shekhar and request him to allow you work from home for 2 weeks. Is that okay?
So sir, I will think on that, and thank you for giving this option.
So Ranaji, I believe you are good in building relationship. Can you come up with a buddy program so that every team members feel connected and supported?
Absolutely, Abhijit sir, that's a great idea. This will definitely build our trust and improve our communication. I relate this that building relationship is more important than anything else. It will definitely benefit us in the long run. I will start right away.
Okay. So let's reconnect next week. In the meantime, you work on it. I will schedule some time next week to discuss on that.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Take care, Anil.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Yeah, Samir.
Please.
Have a seat. So Samir, you are a great value to our organization. You have been one of the core MEP team members and you have been with us for more than 8 years. The unique thing I like about you, Samir, is your attention to details. So why don't you take a look at the projects we were not able to deliver and analyze what were the pinch points so that we can prepare an action plan accordingly?
Definitely. If we analysis in the proper way, we definitely achieve the goals. We have already started with the KOKC list and proper scheduling process. We will definitely achieve the targets.
So take help of a few of the team members, have a QA/QC checklist ready, and let's reconnect next week.
Sure. I will connect with Vivek and definitely.
Sure. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
So Vivek, you are doing an amazing job. You are being with us for more than 10 years and you are one of the founder member of TPS. I was thinking, since you are good at organizing things, why don't you take a look at our entire org chart and then create a flow chart, assign so that everybody is aware about their roles and responsibilities?
Abhijit, I have prepared the schedule and I have near about 100 project data where we have seen that there are multiple projects we have built into the non-proper schedule. And you can see that the activity 2 and 3 we have started earlier. So I need that activity 5 which is important. So we can keep the activity 3. I will forward the schedule to you and the data, all the data to you. So you can look through that, and I have observed that for multiple projects we are less with the resources, so we need more resources. So I need your help for the next project, and what we need at least 4 to 5 new resources. So we need to add that into our system so we can fulfill the goal on the time.
Good. I can see we are really resources. This analysis will help. I'll speak to Shekhar regarding this. Why don't you check my scheduling system and then schedule a call next week?
Yeah, definitely. And definitely by doing this, we will fix this problem and deliver the project on time with a good quality.
Sure.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks. Yeah, Suresh, how are you? So how is life? Life is fun?
Yes, it's going well.
Okay. Did you watch Singham 3?
Yes, yesterday we went and delivering journey, and you should try.
Oh, nice. I'll check. Probably I'll go with my family next week.
Yes, yesterday I saw your post on Instagram. You went for some party or.
Oh, the talk, but then my friend insisted me, so I stayed with him. So, Suresh, you are full of energy, right? I am thinking how we translate this energy.
Plan some get together team to when I want to go to the team for the outing.
Okay.
So I have prepared one plan. I will show you with the detailed academy and with the detailed budget.
Okay.
So please just go through and once, and it will add up fun to our team. So one of the act as a motivation to our team, and definitely the things will be better.
Okay, that's good, Suresh. So you can send me a detailed item along with the budget. I'll speak to Lakshmi and get her approval.
Sure.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir. Suresh, can you also call Vivek great team. I'm really happy to see everybody's input. I think we should go back on track by implementing all the strategies that we discussed. Ranaji, if you can work on that buddy program. Samir, if you can work on further schedule, that will be good. Vivek, if you can send me that flow chart. And Suresh, regarding the team outing, you can send me the budget. If we work together, I think we should be able to deliver success to the company. Right? You are the leaders of tomorrow, right? We need to take the company to the next level and then make everybody proud.
Yes, sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah, great.
नहीं अभी तो
Folks, good morning. This is all about the master class of the leadership. Okay, so have everybody seen how the Abhijit transformed from frustration attitude to the collaboration by recognizing everyone's unique strength. So this is not about the blaming or pushing. It's all about the understanding. So how Abhijit understands the different personality from his team and the whole dynamic has been changed. So today we are leaving with the room with the more clarity, more motivation, and most importantly with the ownership. So let's keep this momentum going on. This is not about the leadership. This is all about the teamwork. So how Abhijit trusted his team, and meanwhile the team has also trusted him for to serve the purpose. So same mindset we have to implement in our project also in the day-to-day scenario also, so that the team thrives on the differences and come with the good ideas, and so that to achieve the extraordinary result. So let's do not fade out this momentum, and we have to build on it. We have to trust ourselves and each other, and definitely we are the team which is unstoppable. So I would like to thanks first Jairam sir, Lakshmi ma'am, and Shekhar sir, Abhijit, Vidula, and Arun and Preeti for this wonderful session and for the transformation. So last month we have achieved 1 million target. That was just a beginning. The best is yet to come, guys.